has no patience. Look at his face and in his eyes. He's been waiting, he's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer.
Good morning guys, this is Raza and you're watching my channel Anjaana Musaafir. Today is 2nd October, time is around 1:30 PM and guys today I'm looking for a good biryani. If not good then it should be excellent because I haven't eaten something since morning except a cup of tea because I have to reach up to a place. I'm starved like hell, so I have to go and look for biryani right now. And for this I'm going to Dongri or CST, whatever you say, and let's see if I get that biryani or not. So let's go. It's very loud and I'm at Andheri station. You can look at here. Basically guys, I'm here for some work. My work is over and I'm going to a place called Gulshan-e-Iran. It's a restaurant and yes, I will get a biryani too, and time is 3:35 PM. So let's go and see how does it goes like.
Here I am after having a full plate of chicken biryani. I must say the taste of biryani was really very good. This was my second time in this restaurant. So today I'm not going to do anything. I'm thinking I'm closing down this video right here right now. If you like this video, please hit the like button. You can comment also. You can share this video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel Anjaana Musaafir. See you in the next vlog. Till then, खुदा हाफिज़, take care, goodbye और हाँ पानी पीते रहना क्योंकि जल ही जीवन है. Bye bye.